Hello, this is Group 2. Firstly, it is a great honor to be here, share some points to you about backwards forwards planning. Okay, firstly, please allow me to introduce my team members to you. I'll be the name list. First one is me. My name is Wen Chuan, and I'm majoring Bachelor of Business Administration. And we have Zhang Xiyuan,
Hello, my name is Zhang Xiyuan.
Luo Xulei,
Hello, my name is Luo Xulei.
and Huang Ruonan.
Hello everyone, my name is Huang Ruonan.
As well as Dou Yao
Hello everyone, my name is Dou Yao.
and Chen Cheng Hao.
Hello guys, my name is Chenze Chen Hao.
Okay, we call the group 2. In today's topic, we'll talk about the backwards first planning is as a tool about the problem solving technical. So when we finish this presenting, you will know what exactly means about planning to backwards and forwards, and are there any situation or specific occasions how to use this tool. We will describe it in 6 dimensions or 6 steps. Definition, background, application, analysis, conclusion, and references. Let's move to first, definition. Definition is as a tool in work. Imagine it. If I'm a manager or entrepreneur in a business, so at that time I have to do a decision about the emergency situation. Basically, I may choose a method based on the past experience and use backward planning. Only this way I can see the overall situation more clearly in the whole corporation. So by sorting out motivations, goals, and prerequisites forward, and looking backward at different paths, options, and decisions to do things, we can sum up experience and make decisions. Then there are 3 keywords in the specific situation when I make a decision. Firstly is motivation. Motivation means like it's about when I do specific things, why I want to do this and what exactly results I have to reach. Secondly is prerequisites. Means like if I want to do a idea or in a form situation, so what conditions or situations I to be. The last one is decisions. I think we talked about a lot about backwards and forwards planning. Finally, all of them are served to how to make a good decision as well. And not only that, I usually wondering about is there any Asian experiment about how to use backwards forwards planning in the Asian time. So Zhang Xiyuan will show you.
Okay, let me give you the second part, the background. Early time of the animals. An animal habitatly with the environment as the set of states. In each set, a set of actions is available. Taking an action in the certain state result in receiving some immediate reward of punishment, and will also take the animals to new state. Give this wave of the environment according to the computation theory of the reinforcement learning RL. Center and Bottle 1998. In each state, the animals turns to feed the action that maximizes the sum of impacted reward in will reserve or other similarly objective. Animals can also plan forward and backward after learning.
Okay, when we know this type of method can be used in the ancient time, has been used, so it also can use in the modern situation in nowadays application.
Next, I will talk about how does technique work in the real world. In order to facilitate everyone's understanding, let me give you a few examples. Let us talk about forward planning first. It's easy to understand. You have a weekend to-do list consisting of yard work, washing your car, and so on. If you want to enjoy the remainder of your weekend without stressing about chores, you can crossing things off your list early. In another word, you can do these things as early as possible. This is forward planning. I mentioned too the backward planning, just like what I said above. You have a to-do list, yard work, and washing your car, but there is a problem that you have a client meeting on Monday morning, and you want the car to be as clean as possible when you go to the meeting. So you could use backward planning, clean your car on Sunday evening. That way, there would be less of a chance that your car would get dirty again before your client meeting. So let's say another example. Yeah, maybe one day you will have a company, you have a client that needs their something service the last week in June maybe. And using forward planning, you would schedule this client's maintenance appointment for the first open appointment slot within that last week of June and get the job done as soon as possible. Under the same circumstance, you have the same client and using the backwards planning, you can schedule it for the last day of June. So you have the first 6 days to arrange maintenance for other customers. So under what circumstance will we use this technology and summarize the following 3 points? So let's show the 3 points. First, if you want to increase process and production efficiency, and second, you want to ensure that you meet delivery days, balanced workloads across employees. And third, you want to allow yourself the flexibility to accommodate order changes. If you have the above job requirements, please use this technology. From the examples above, you can know that this technology can help you to plan assignments orderly and make a rational use of resources. So next, let my classmate Zhang Xinyuan continues our presentation.
Here's an example that's coming to me. Imagine it. As the business owner faced with the bad environment, the company needs to lay off employees. If we don't lay off employees, we can use this technique to consider what other decisions we can make to reduce the cost of real materials. Okay, next.
Okay, when it comes to backward planning videos and forward planning videos, we are actually discussing a strategic approach that can help us achieve our goals more effectively. The first one is backward planning videos. Let's look like this.
Hey, today I'm doing some backward planning. What's backward planning? Well, you know when you buy flat pack furniture, like from IKEA, and you get this instruction manual, and there's all these stages you follow through, and you think, what am I doing? It's so much easier if you begin by looking at what it is you're trying to produce, in this case, a bookcase. And if you've seen this, then this all makes so much more sense. It's the same when you plan a lesson. If you decide what the end goal of the lesson is and you make it visible to students, then the rest of the lesson makes so much more sense. For example, if I wanted to help students order a cup of coffee from a cafe, it'd be much better to start the lesson by showing a video of somebody ordering a cup of coffee, or playing an audio, or reading a dialogue, so that you're showing students what it is they're going to achieve by the end of the class. And then work backwards, decide what is the vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, reading, writing, speaking, listening that needs to go into that class in order to achieve that final goal. That's backward planning, a lot easier than forward planning, makes a lot more sense. Go try it. If you're interested in goals, planning goals, visible success, click on the link below this video and watch the webinar that I gave some months ago.
Okay, it's interesting. The next one is for word planning videos. Let's look at this.
My name is Alex Campbell and I work as a forward planning producer for Newsnight. Our job is mainly fixing things that are going to happen on future programmes, so rather than having an influence on tonight's show, we'll tee up big interviews for tomorrow night or next week or next month, and that basically involves being knowledgeable about what's coming up in the news, so speaking to correspondents, browsing through the news diaries and making sure that we know what's going to happen in the future so that we can make sure Newsnight has sort of a head start on the other programmes and the other news outlets. It's a news programme, so things that we plan can sometimes be changed based on what's happening in the news, and sometimes things that we set up don't always make it onto the programme that night because that's the nature of it. Things change, more exciting things will happen. To be a forward planning producer, I think you need to be well organised and you need to really persevere and you need to have a great passion for the programme that you work for and that you represent, because a large part of your job is going to be persuading people why they should be on Newsnight instead of any other show.
Okay, next team member.
Hello guys, now let me talk about the advantages of forward planning and backward planning. First, we talk about forward planning. Forward planning helps in ensuring efficiency by ensuring that the right tasks are given to the right people at the right time. It can improve efficiency. It can help reduce stress among team members by allowing them to plan in advance and by allowing them to anticipate upcoming tasks. By forward planning, it can minimize the number of future unconsidered that could occur. It helps in providing a better insight into the progress of the project and allowing team members to plan accordingly. It also promotes better coordination between team members by keeping everyone informed of upcoming tasks. For the backward planning, ensures clear focus and helps you stay on task throughout the project, and that can help a clear visualization of planned steps. It also for efficiency allocation for resources, as you can identify the necessary steps and the requirements to achieve the final results, thereby efficiency, time management, and high productive. It also can improve academic performance because of goal-directed behavior and increase confidence and enforce cause of higher goal expectations. Forward planning is needed everywhere, in all walks of life, people's daily life. For example, the annual planning of the enterprise, the urban planning of the government, the arrangement stage of the measure after receive the order, and the daily arrangement of the individual. Okay, the next one is finally is the conclusion. My friend Luo Xulei will show it.
Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Luo Xulei. I'm delighted to be here today to tell you about conclusion. Let me now sum up. The process of backward forward planning is powerful tool for complete open problem and unlocking your new idea. By starting with problems meant the explain high level idea, and you can get new idea and identify new solutions. Remember, life is filled with situation where there is no one size fits. As you continue to reveal your backward, forward, back in skills, you will find yourself better to face the future. I have finished. Thank you. Listen. Nice is the reference. We have lots of idea come here. Thank you.
Okay, this is the end of the presentation. I hope you can get some useful idea and information from us. Okay, thanks for listening.
Okay, thank you.